With the fall season well underway, here are 4 safety tips that you need to be aware of when it comes to security driving. Number 1. The end of daylight saving time. During the fall season, security drivers find themselves spending more time driving in the dark. The National Safety Council warns that depth perception, color recognition, and peripheral vision can be compromised in the dark, and the glare of headlights from an oncoming vehicle can temporarily blind a driver. The end of daylight saving time starts November 6th, which means drivers will be soon spending more time on the roads during hours of darkness. The National Safety Council research shows that the risk of fatal crash is 3 times greater at night, so drivers need to be aware of how to maintain their safety on the roads when DST comes to an end. Many drivers who are used to traveling home from work in daylight can suddenly find themselves driving home in the dark. And while initially the mornings are lighter, many drivers will find themselves traveling in the dark in the morning and the evening. For those who need to navigate rush hour traffic every day, this increase in darkness adds additional risk and is already a potentially hazardous one. Research tells us that the number of recorded injury crashes increases in the weeks following the end of DST. There are many potential reasons for this, including reduced visibility in the dark, the impact of darkness on driver alertness, and the impact of darkness on depth perception and peripheral vision. Though just 25% of our driving is at night, 50% of traffic deaths occur. Number 2. Age and security driving. Since most security drivers are in their second careers, their age can create challenges when driving at night. The Safety Council says that a 50-year-old driver might need twice as much light to see as well as a 30-year-old driver. And at 60 and older, we generally see road signs less clearly, have more trouble judging speed and distance, and are bothered more when headlights glare, according to the American Optometric Association. Number 3. Tires. In some parts of the world, with fall comes cold weather, and cold weather means that drivers need to monitor the effects of colder temperatures have on tires. Relying on a tire pressure monitoring system to accomplish that is not good enough. The driver needs to use a physical tire pressure gauge to measure tire pressure when the car has been sitting for 2 or 3 hours. Also, proper tire pressure helps you keep rolling smoothly and safely. Expect your tires to drop at least 1 pound per square inch of pressure each month, no matter the weather. However, when the air cools in the fall, that accelerates. Tires will drop another pound per square inch of pressure for every 10 degrees of temperature drop. Correct pressure will be noted on a decal pasted on the driver's side door jamb or on the door itself and in the owner's manual. Number 4. Sun glare. The blinding distraction of sun glare waxes as summer wanes. Good sunglasses are as important in the fall as they are during the summer. It sounds wrong, but it's logical because the sun moves closer to the horizon. That points it straight into your eyes and makes it more likely to reflect at low angles of buildings, other cars, and windows. Have your sunglasses handy. Don't look directly into the lights of oncoming traffic when you drive at night. And keep your windshield clear so dirt streaks don't contribute to the glare. Thanks for watching. If you have any driving tips, post them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about security driving and secure transportation, click this video right here. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.